Where's the butane?
It's in my pocket. You want to hold it?
I want to look at it. What's the warning we're gonna not follow?
So we've got some butane here, which obviously says to keep away from open flame. We are not going to do that today. So we've all seen some ridiculous warning labels, like the warning on this toaster says, don't toast torn bread.
And of course, you've seen some more serious warning labels, like on this container of gasoline that says, do not put near an open flame. Today, we're gonna do the exact opposite of what warning labels tell us to do, to not to do, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay. Do not try this at home.
So we've got these batteries here, and look on the back, it says not to put them in a fire. So Jake, what should we do?
Do not incinerate.
Yeah.
I think we should incinerate them.
So I just drilled a bunch of holes in this board so we can drop the batteries in there so they'll stand up so we can get fire all the way around them and they won't roll to weird cracks inside this. But I will put this right under where that jet's gonna be. Perfect.
Off we go.
Oh, they're starting to delaminate now.
Oh, they're doing something. No explosions, but they're leaking everywhere.
Are they?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Those fumes are super toxic.
It smells great. It doesn't smell great.
Not really much going on with this.
There was fluid leaking out of them.
It's a little disappointing.
Oh look, they burst. Now this toaster says to not toast torn slices of bread.
Oh my gosh.
Throw that in there,
okay.
Like the rebel you are. It also says do not place buttered bread in a toaster. So we're gonna take this whole stick of butter and throw that in there.
Well, doesn't it say not to put anything on top of it too?
So we're gonna throw the instructions.
Oh, that's perfect. I like that. Okay.
Oh shoot, I almost forgot my safety glasses.
Yeah, never can be too safe.
Can never be too safe.
It looks like it's
We're
smoking already.
That's nice. Oh, butter's dripping down.
Yeah.
Can we like tip it, get some
oh, you're pouring it all out the side.
I want to get some butter on the elements. See if this will ignite. Butter fumes.
Oh, that was cool. Yeah, we got a little flame down in there.
Butter will burn under the right circumstances, so it does make sense. This warning is accurate. Is it going to start a fire? Probably not, but it is possible. You know what else we're not supposed to do? Do not immerse cord, plug, or appliance in water or other liquids. I say we do that. Obviously, we know that electronics and water are never supposed to mix, but what actually happens if you do mix them? So obviously, it's gonna trip one of these surge protectors. It's not gonna do anything else, I don't think, so I'm gonna be perfectly safe as long as I don't let the water splash. I'm gonna lower it very carefully. It's not doing anything.
That one's still on. I don't think that
cord isn't getting hot. None of these have tripped. This is safe as long as we're not touching the water. If we were to touch that water, we would get a heck of a shock. Touch to the water.
I don't have to touch it. Look at that.
Oh my gosh,
I can catch it through the side.
Yeah,
so this is electrified.
And it hasn't tripped anything, which is the scary part. This is a computer duster. You use it to dust your computers.
No way!
And I got excited because I read, this product can be ignited under certain circumstances, therefore do not use near potential ignition sources. I say we do the opposite of that. Oh, it actually is a little bit. That is mildly flammable, I would say. This is difluoroethane. Another thing the can says is do not shake it. It also says don't spray it upside down because what happens when gases are compressed, they become a liquid. And so there's actual liquid difluoroethane inside here that should come out. Look at that. And what's really interesting about this liquid is it should be, yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, that is a cryogenic liquid right there. That will give you frostbite. As gases rapidly expand, they naturally drop in temperature very rapidly. I've got a little thing of water here. I'm gonna spray our cryogenic gas on it and see if we can get the water to freeze or the temperature to drop or something. No way, that's ice. It's like it's auto freezing. That is 16, 18 degrees. That's literal ice, look at this. You don't want to get that on your computer or on your hands, so this warning label actually does make some sense. Lighters have some really funny warnings on them. This lighter says danger, extremely flammable, contains butane gas. Do not use near fire, flame, or sparks. So if I was to use this, we would be in danger.
Yeah. Oh!
Using it violates its own warning. I think there's too many warning labels on things. I think we need to let natural selection take its course. This is a bicycle inner tube. Hopefully, it says in large letters, do not overinflate. So you know what we're gonna do.
Tape it down really well.
And then back off.
Yeah. Show me how this thing works.
Okay, just a container.
My eyes, dude. Didn't you read the warning label?
It says to reduce the risk of injury, use proper eye protection.
Ah, so now I'll get my eye protection on.
Did you read the warning label on the eye protection?
What? Yeah, birth defects and reproductive harm.
What has the world come to? This cup of noodles, you're not supposed to cook it without water in it.
So we're gonna do it.
We're gonna put it in the microwave without any water in it. And yes, it's silly, but you never know with a warning label. They put these on here for a reason. See what happens. 3 minutes?
Few minutes later.
I feel like it's getting smoky in there. It definitely is. Oh, it's covered in smoke. Here, it's been going for like 4 minutes. Look, that's black tar like liquid.
Wow.
All the way off.
That's terrible.
Oh my word. Wow.
Just walk away, Jake. Save yourself.
The fire extinguisher says do not incinerate. That's ironic.
I'm really excited.
I brought the propane. There it is.
You ready for this?
As soon as he puts it in, move.
Yeah. I'm so excited. That was kind of cool. Oh, it lit again.
It put it out for a second. Fire extinguisher did fire extinguisher thing. It did what I thought. It blew out one of the sides.
I can't get it. There we are.
Yep. Blew the side right open. Look at that.
There you can see the jet was coming down right here, and that's where it lost its structural integrity.
This warning label says explosion hazard. Keep flammable materials and vapors such as gasoline away from dryer. And I love that it mentions gasoline so specifically. So we have here a cup of gasoline, like literally about a cup size of gasoline that we're putting in the dryer.
Don't do this at home.
We've got fire extinguishers and buckets of water and everything. And the dryer is basically made of metal. There's nothing in the dryer itself that's really gonna catch on fire, and the gasoline should burn pretty quickly. So this is relatively safe for us to do. Please don't try this at home. Get over there. I'm gonna push the start button
and run
and move away very quickly.
I'm so excited.
Okay, so the thing is, the gas has to travel to the back of the dryer where the heating element is.
I don't know if it can. I mean,
I don't know if it's going to at all. I mean, it's been going for this long.
It's pushing air through, like it's sucking it in the back, it's going over the heating element, then it's going into the dryer where the gasoline fumes.
It's pulling air away from the heating element. It's pulling air from outside through the element into the dryer.
I was really hoping for a fireball. I'll be honest.
It would have been cool.
Yep. Well, we've now soaked the dryer in gas. So we've got some butane here, which obviously says to keep away from open flame. We are not going to do that today. Okay, that was tons of fun, but what did we miss? What do you want to see us blow up next? What labels do you want us to violate? As always, like, comment, subscribe.
We will see you next time.